Good afternoon, everybody. Want to do a quick sound check? Can everyone hear me loud and clear? All right, beautiful. So I wonder what's going to be on the first on our list going into the afternoon. Anybody have any idea? Yeah, Vigil. Yeah, you got it. Test right on the money. What? Whoa, man. I don't even know what to say. I mean, just click buy. I mean, you can't mess it up. What a stock. Anyone know what this drug is about? I didn't see what the actual, I know phase 2 went, oh, glaucoma. I thought they already solved that. Because marijuana sales are going to go down. Glaucoma, okay. I didn't know glaucoma was such a, I didn't know that was such like a huge thing. Apparently it is, because this thing is just on fire. The one thing I want you guys to look at is just how easy, anyone that's taken the pattern workshops, and we go over double and triple tops, it's a very simple pattern. It happens all the time. Do you see how many easy entries you had off of that? I mean, right here you could see at 14, this was one of the highest probability trades I've seen for $1 in a long time, especially for especially for any new traders. This was an easy dollar. It really was. You could see the pennant that formed perfectly right here. Okay, so then it was a dollar move. The calculated move was exact. And on the third time, with momentum like this, more than likely on the third time, the sellers are going to run out. On a stock like this, not too many people are selling. So just watch for that. You can see right here, it's about the same thing is about to happen. So while I'm speaking, no one should even be typing, because you should be ready to take this trade that's coming up. Exactly. All right. So obviously, high tech is going to be number 1 on our list. Okay. I wasn't watching time and sales, but let's see. And no follow through. Yeah, but there was no follow through with it. Yep, exactly. So guess what? Let's look the other way. All right, so let's go shopping and let's figure out what else we're going to look at, even though I have a feeling this is all we're going to be talking about for the entire afternoon. There's not really much else out there besides Vigil. Vigil's great stock. Cara's not bad. It's sitting at 20, low volume though, but let's see. We'll put it on our list because there's really not much going on out there. C-A-R-A. And Alpo dog food. Let's see. This is an easy stock to trade too. It's a little expensive, but it is very easy to trade in those 50 cents. So we're going to put SanDisk on there. They must have got some type of account or something. They've been going crazy these past few weeks or so. This one's not too bad either. INFN. It's 20-cent increments. It's trading pretty 25 cents. It's trading pretty slow, pretty easily. I would like to see a little bit more volume come in, but we'll definitely trade it. INFN. All right, let's see. iTech came back on that pullback, but this thing wants a lot more. A lot. So we'll see where this thing goes, but pretty much an easy trade right here. Let's see. Anything else over here? Nothing too interesting. Cyber, we were talking about this yesterday, but these cybersecurity, even for your long-term trades, these things are getting huge. Even if I had a child that didn't know what they wanted to do and they were looking to go to college, I would tell them to go for that, because these things in the next few years are just going to skyrocket. I wouldn't be surprised to see this stock right here at $100 soon, to be honest with you. So just kind of keep that in mind for anyone that's in the long-term for more long-term trades. This one's not too bad either. I'm not a fan of how it just doesn't move and then it moves. Needs more volume, big time. Needs to trade more, but it's not too bad. QSII. Let's see, what else do we have out here?
Holy cow!
Yeah, other than that, not really too interested in anything else over there. Let's take a look at the New York. FTK, I'm going to keep it on our list. I bet you if some type of volume comes back in, it was a great trade this morning. Brad, I don't think that ahead. All I think of is when we saw that double top that I liked it above 16. Other than that, I'm not a long-term thinker. I don't know about you, but if I own this thing at 6 and to mine it goes up this high, I might sell off. It's just that's a lot of money. But like I said, I don't know anything about the technicals. I don't want to give advice on something I don't know. All I know is that it moved. What's the high now? It moved 70 cents since I told you guys above 16. So I'm more of the short-term type. Definitely ask Jesse though today in his afternoon meeting. Jesse, if anyone's got the answer, it'll be him. Moving down, I don't really see anything else that I'm too excited about. This one's not bad. Oops, going too fast. URI, United Rentals. Interesting. A little expensive, but pretty easy short. Relatively easy all day long. And let's see, lock ugly today. That's it. We don't need much more money. Brad, if from what I usually see, I guess I see them. They kind of pull back. I mean, there's definitely going to have to be a pullback. But I mean, then again, let's look at VLTC. So I can't really say much. When I see last time we saw a stock go like this, look at this thing. It pulled back. I think one day it pulled back. And you're talking about from like 50 cents all the way up to 21.25-ish, 21.50. So, will it just go straight up? Probably not. But we'll have to see because right now it's just it's on a rampage. Yeah, GoPro's not bad, but it's just not doing anything right now. GoPro, you'll be able to trade every day, make 25 cents easily at a minimum. But as of right now, I'm just really not too interested. Too expensive, too many better stocks out there. Ryan hates GoPro. I mean, we only have, I'll throw it on the list. They'll give us 8. See, my fit swing trade is working out pretty well. This thing's still got a lot more room to go. If we can get up above this 47 point, I would not be surprised to see 50 very, very, very soon on fit. What got the Kramer green light? Because I'm going to go opposite. What, did GoPro get the green light from Kramer? Guy was right less than 50% of the year last year. Better off flipping a coin, Debbie. I'll trade him any day. All right. Anything else out there that's spectacular that I missed? It's funny with these analysts. I mean, look at GoPro. I mean, of course it got the green light. This thing's on a rampage. Like, it's probably going to go to 70, to be honest with you. Well, there you go. More money. Yeah, I don't doubt it. And there's a great entry coming up right now from this, I guess, it kind of looks a little bit like funneling. But 65 is the place to watch. All right, guys, I'll be here the rest of the day. Any questions, as always, please let me know. Otherwise, happy trading, and let's make some more money trading iTech.